Good morning, everyone. Myself, Anubhuti Saxena. I'm your science teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you lesson 2. The name of the lesson is the teeth. In this chapter, we will talk about the structure of our teeth. So let's start. Let's warm up. Circle the pictures of the things which are used to keep your teeth and tongue clean. There are some pictures in which some pictures are related with the cleaning of teeth and tongue. You have to find that pictures and circle them. First picture is soap. Second picture is of toothbrush. Third picture is of shampoo. Fourth picture is of dental floss. Fifth picture is of toothpaste. And sixth picture is of foot scrubber. So we can easily find the things which are used for cleaning of teeth and tongue. First is toothbrush, second is dental floss, and third is toothpaste. Now start the lesson. Teeth are present inside our mouth. Teeth form a very important part of our mouth. They help us to chew our food. They help us to speak clearly. They give shape to our face. As you know, we see our face. We see our mouth. Our teeth are present inside the mouth. And teeth play an important role in our body. Teeth are very important because they help us in many ways. They are helping us for speaking clearly. They are helping us to chew our food. They are helping us to give the shape of our face. As you see the face of a young child or the older person and a young man, so you can easily find their face shape is depend on the teeth. So teeth gives us the shape, gives our face a shape. When you were born, you had no teeth. You drank milk and ate soft, semi-solid food. You probably cut your first tooth when you were about 6 or 8 months old. As you've seen, when a child has born, so every time we see there is no teeth in his or her mouth. But they are taking the milk, they are taking some soft and pulpy foods. They are try to eat, and they are using it. But in the age of 6 or 8th month, they are getting their first teeth, and after that they are getting one tooth like this, many teeth in the mouth. So by the age of 3, you had nearly 20 teeth. The first set of teeth in the mouth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. We got teeth 2 times in a life. First set of teeth is called milk teeth. It is also called the temporary teeth. These are 20 in numbers. 10 teeth are present in upper jaw and 10 teeth are present in lower jaw. So total 20 teeth makes a set of teeth, temporary teeth. Why are teeth made up of? The teeth in your mouth are fixed in the soft pink gums of each jaw. You can easily see in your face. When you open your mouth, you will see the structure of tooth. Here you see all the teeth are fixed in a soft pink gums of each jaw. but we see only the root. You can only see a part of each tooth, and this is root. First we see the root of the tooth is inside our jaw below the gums. Below the gums. Next, parts of tooth. A tooth has three parts. First, root, second, crown, third, neck. Root, it is a part of the tooth inside the gum. Second, crown, it is a part of the tooth that is seen above the gum. And third, neck, it is the part of the tooth that lies between the root and the crown. Here you can see the picture of a tooth. In this picture you are seeing the visible part, the upper part, this is called crown, and the part which is inside the jaw, that is called root. It is fixed in the gum, and the middle part is called neck, which is lies between crown and root. Let us do one activity. Open your mouth and look at your teeth in a mirror and count the number of temporary teeth that you have. So also see if any milk teeth have fallen. Maybe it is possible anybody is having not 20 teeth. Maybe any teeth can be fallen, because these are the temporary teeth and it can be broken. Now the structure of a tooth. A tooth has three layers. A tooth has three layers. First is enamel, second is dentine, and third is pulp. Enamel, dentine, pulp. Enamel, it is the outer, white covering a tooth. It protects the tooth from wear and tear. It is the hardest substance in the body. It is the outer white covering of a tooth, and it protects the tooth from wear and tear, and it is the hardest substance in the body. Second layer is dentine. It is found below the enamel. It is hard and bone-like. It is hard and bone-like. It is softer than the enamel. It is softer than the enamel. Next is pulp. Pulp, it is the central part of the tooth. It is the central part of the tooth. It is soft and has a supply of nerves and blood vessels. It has a supply of nerves and blood vessels. Next heading, kinds of teeth. By the age of 6, your milk teeth start falling one by one. They are replaced by new larger teeth called permanent teeth. They are replaced by the larger teeth, which is called permanent teeth, and these are 32 in numbers. Adults usually have 32 permanent teeth, 16 in each jaw. Permanent teeth are of 4 kinds, depending on their functions. First is incisor. Incisors, the first 4 front teeth are called incisors. These are 8 in all, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. And what is their function? They help to bite and cut food. They help to bite and cut food. Incisors are chisel shaped. Their shapes are different. Incisors are chisel shaped. Second, canines. There are 2 canines in each jaw. means total 4. Total 4 in all. They are present next to the incisors. They are sharp and pointed and are used to tear the flesh. They are used to tear the flesh. Let us do one activity. It is important to take care of your permanent teeth, because if you lose a tooth from a permanent set, a new one will not grow in its place. Yes, it is true. If your milk teeth will be broken, you can get the teeth again as a permanent teeth. But if any teeth will be broken from the permanent teeth, we can't get the new one. Next is premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw, means 8 in all, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw, next to the canines. They are used to crush and chew foods. Molars, next is molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw, 12 in all. Next to the premolar. These are 6 in each jaw, 6 in upper jaw, 6 in lower jaw, total 12, and they are used to grind food. Here you are seeing the picture of a tooth, different types of teeth. Here it is shown incisors, front 4 teeth, incisors. After that premolars, 2 premolars are here. After premolars, in the last, molars are coming, and with front teeth we are having both sides canines. So these are the structure of our tooth. So teeth, incisors 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw, total 8 teeth. Canines 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw, total 4. Premolars, upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4, total 8. Molars, upper jaw 6 and lower jaw 6, total 12. So when we will add these 4, we will get 32. It shows the permanent set. It shows the permanent teeth. Out of the 12 molars, 8 grew first, while 4 molars called the wisdom teeth, and they grow later. So now we conclude our chapter here. And home assignment is read the lesson carefully and draw a structure of tooth on your copy. So read the chapter carefully to get the information about teeth. So thank you everyone, and have a nice day.